In this video, we'll be covering merging branches in Git. Merging is the process of combining work from different branches to integrate features, fixes, and updates. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Git offers several ways to merge branches, each with its own approach and impact on the project history. The common types of merges are: first, fast-forward merge, which is the simplest form and it happens when no divergent work exists. Second, three-way merge, which combines divergent branches with a merge commit. Third, squash merge, which combines all changes into a single commit. Fourth, rebase, which replays changes on top of the target branch. Now, let's explore some Git commands related to merging. To check which branches need merging, use the command git branch --merged and git branch --no merged. For basic merge command, first check out the main branch using git checkout main, then merge the feature branch using git merge feature branch. Let's explore the fast-forward merge. This type of merge occurs when the target branch hasn't changed since the feature branch was created. It simply moves the head pointer forward. No new commit is created during the merge. This results in a perfectly linear history. Git performs this automatically when possible. Now let's understand the three-way merge. This merge is used when branches have diverged, meaning both have new commits. It creates a new merge commit with two parent commits, preserving the complete history of both branches. Git automatically identifies the common ancestor as the third point. The result is a nonlinear history that clearly shows the branch structure. Here are some best practices to consider when performing a merge. Always ensure your working directory is clean before merging. Pull the latest changes from the remote before merging local branches. Consider using --noff to always create a merge commit. Test your code after merging before pushing to the remote. Use descriptive merge commit messages. Here are some commands to use. For basic merge workflow, first check out the main branch, then pull from the origin main branch, then merge the feature branch. To create merge commit even if fast-forward is possible, use git merge --noff feature branch. To abort a merge with conflicts, use git merge --abort. Now let's see how to handle merge conflicts. Git marks conflicts with less than and greater than markers. Edit the files to resolve conflicts manually. Remove conflict markers after deciding which changes to keep. Add the resolved files with git add. Complete the merge with git commit. Some common conflict causes are: same lines modified in both branches, file deleted in one branch but modified in another, and file structure changes that affect dependencies. Squash merging combines all feature branch commits into a single commit. It creates a cleaner, more linear history. It is easier to understand changes as a single unit. It simplifies reverting changes if needed. It is ideal for feature branches with many small commits. It preserves the main branch's linear history. To squash merge a feature branch, check out the main branch, use git merge --squash feature branch, then git commit -m and add a commit message. Alternatively, you can use GitHub pull requests by selecting squash and merge option in the GitHub pull request user interface. Let's compare rebasing and merging. Merge preserves complete history and context of branch development, whereas rebase creates a linear history by replaying commits on top of target branch. Merge is a non-destructive operation that preserves original commits. Rebase rewrites commit history by creating new commit hashes. Remember the golden rule, which states that we should never rebase commits that have been pushed to a public repository. Here are some advanced merge techniques. --noff always creates a merge commit, even for fast-forward merges. --ff only allow fast-forward merges, abort otherwise. --squash combines all changes into a single commit. -xars favors our version in conflicts. -x theirs favors their version in conflicts. Double dash strategy equals recursive is the default strategy for resolving conflicts. Always understand what each option does before using it. Here are some commands. To create merge commit even if fast forward is possible, use git merge double dash noff feature branch. To favor our version in conflicts, use git merge -xrs feature branch. To favor their version in conflicts, use git merge -x theirs feature branch. To only allow fast-forward merges, use git merge double dash ff only feature branch. Here are some guidelines for successful branch merging. Number 1. Keep branches short-lived. Merge feature branches frequently to reduce the complexity of merges and minimize conflicts. Long-lived branches tend to diverge significantly from the main branch. Number 2. Pull before merging. Always pull the latest changes from the remote repository before performing a merge to ensure you're working with the most up-to-date code. Number 3. Test before and after. Run tests on both branches before merging and on the result after merging to ensure functionality is preserved and no regressions are introduced. Number 4. Use descriptive commit messages. Write clear descriptive merge commit messages that explain what was merged and why, making it easier to understand the history later. Merging is an art. The goal is to integrate changes while maintaining a clean, understandable history. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.